Reflection of light, word problems, question 5b. A convex mirror has a focal length 18 cm. The image of an object kept in front of the mirror is half the height of the object. What is the distance of the object from the mirror? This is a question. First we'll see the formulas. Focal length. For the concave mirror, focal length is negative, and for the convex mirror, focal length is positive. Here convex mirror has given, so focal length will be positive. In this lesson there are two formulas, mirror formula, 1 upon v plus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f, where u is the image distance, v is the image distance, u is the object distance, and f is the focal length. And magnification of spherical mirror, the formula is h2 upon h1, which is equal to minus v upon u, where h2 is the height of the object, h2 is the height of the image, and h1 is the height of the object. Now we'll start solving this sum. A convex mirror has a focal length of 18 cm. So what is given here? Focal length f is equal to 18 cm, and it is positive because it is a convex mirror. Then the image of an object kept in front of the mirror is half the height of the object. So height of the object and the height of the image, the comparison is given. So height of the image is half the height of the object. So h2 is the height of the image, which is half the height of the object, that is a h1. So h2, which is the height of the image, is half the height of the object, that is h2 is equal to h1 upon 2. What is the distance of the object from the mirror? So we have to find out the object distance. So u we have to find out. We'll use out of these two formula. First we'll use this second formula, h2 upon h1 is equal to minus v upon u, because in this question v is also not given, but the relation between h2 and h1 is given. So we'll use this formula. Solution: h2 upon h1 is equal to minus v upon u. h2 is equal to h1 by 2. So for the h2 will write h1 upon 2, and this h1 in the denominator, minus v upon u. This h1 will get cancelled. Half is equal to minus v upon u. So u is in the denominator, we'll bring it here. So this is u upon 2, and minus will give here. So this is the value of v. So v is equal to minus u upon 2. Now we'll use this v value in this mirror formula. Okay, 1 upon v plus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. So in place of a v, we'll write this 1 upon minus u upon 2 plus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon 18. F value is 18. Now this is the denominator and again double denominator. So this will go into the numerator, as we have to write the inverse of this. So this will become 2 upon minus u. This is minus 2 upon u plus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon 18. So as the denominator is same u, we'll add or subtract the numerator. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 is equal to 1 upon 18. If we'll cross multiply this, it will become minus 18 is equal to u. Therefore u is equal to minus 18. Okay, and u is always negative because it is on the in front of the mirror. So but while writing the answer, we don't have to write the minus sign. We'll just write 18 centimeter. the distance of the object from the mirror is 18 centimeter. So this is the final answer. The distance of the object from the mirror is 18 centimeter.